what we are doing first is we are writing both these numbers using base 10 blocks. So if you just popped in, it's okay. We can do it together, no big deal. Let me go ahead. How do I want that? Maybe like that. Yep, that's good. All right, so who could tell me how many 10s I'm going to draw for the number 15? Zoe.
You are going to draw 1, 10, and 5 ones.
I'm going to draw 1 10, right? And remember, a 10 is a stick up and down. So a 10, right? A 10 can look like this, or it could also look like a big rectangle, right? And then 5 ones. And ones can be dots. They could be little circles, but you don't want them to be, I mean, you could do like little tiny squares, but make sure that it looks like a smaller square than if you did this rectangle. All right, who could tell me how many 10s I'm going to draw for the number 81? Noah? 8 10s, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now remember, 10s blocks are not tally marks. I didn't draw a diagonal line. 10s blocks are the straight up and down cubes that look like this, right? They look like this. They're the straight up and down. They have 10 ones cube and 1 stick. Okay? Alrighty. How many ones am I going to draw for the number 81? Alice?
1.
1, that's right. Great job. So I'm going to draw 81. Now a way to check is you could go under the number and count the 10s, right? I have 8 10s and 1 1. I could also count the value of the 10s and 1s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81. That's 2 ways to double check. All right. Okay. The number I'd like you to draw is the number 56.
56.
In your TO chart, in your 10s and 1s chart. Draw the number 56 using 10s and 1s. Then I'm going to count you down, and you can show me. Don't show me till I count you down, though. You're drawing the number 56 with base 10 blocks. I still see some brains working, so I'm going to give them a couple more seconds. Don't write on your iPad, Jack.
No.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show me your work. Okay, careful, Riley. You're drawing tallies, baby girl. Remember, 10s cubes are just the sticks up and down. So I'm going to draw it. I'm going to draw it. Make sure I do it correct, okay? And make sure yours looks like mine. Okay?
Mine.
I'm going to draw it. Make sure mine is correct and yours looks like mine. So, remember, if I'm counting with my base 10 blocks, right? My base 10 blocks are my sticks. So, I'm actually going to show you with your base 10 blocks. So these are your base 10 blocks, right? Jack, stop. These are your base 10 blocks, right? Okay. Then I had 6 ones, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have my 5 10s. I didn't take a 10 and go like this with it, right? I just kept it straight up and down. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Okay? It would look the same as this. The 5 10s and the 6 1s. Let's try another one. I would like you to draw the number 28 with 10s and 1s. Draw that number 28 with 10s and 1s.
Number 28?
Draw the number 28 with 10s and 1s. Sorry, I was closing my blinds.
I'm done.
Okay, cool.
Okay, cool.
Ooh, I like your bubble, Brock. That was a good bubble. Nice and quiet, patiently waiting. Love it. Alrighty. Show me your work. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show me your work. There you go. Good. Careful. Jack, you have them backwards. You drew 8 1s and you drew 8 10s and 2 1s.
Oh, whoops.
Yeah, flop them. Okay? Now I'm going to draw mine and I want you to make sure that I'm correct. Okay? Ta-da! Am I correct?
No.
What? Noah, help me out. What did I do wrong?
That's 25. You have 25. And it's not 28. You
Hold on, I can't hear you.
More.
I can't hear you, Noah. Hold on 1 second. Okay, now go, Noah.
You have 5.
Oh, I have 5 here?
Yeah. Draw 3 more.
I have to draw 3 more here.
No. 3 more on the one. You have to draw 3 more ones.
3 more 1s. Okay.
Miss Pepper?
Now I'm good.
No. Get rid of the 10. Get rid of the 110. Get rid of the 10.
Now I'm correct.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's try another one.
Miss Pepper?
Yes, my love.
I had another way that you could have answered it.
How could you have answered it?
You could have kept it on until you got it.
Alice, mute yourself, love. What's up, Zoe?
You could count on until you got to 8.
I could have counted on until I got to 8. You're right. Exactly.
Yeah, like 28, 29, 30.
Either way. All right, this time I'm going to draw base 10 blocks. And I want you to, make sure we're all muted. Make sure we're all muted. Thank you, thank you. I'm going to draw base 10 blocks, and I want you to write the number. Write the number of that many base 10 blocks. Here, let me make these bigger. Better? That's probably better. You can see it better. Draw the number of that many base 10 blocks. Don't draw it. Write the number. Sorry. Number form. Number form of this. Oh, I see some friends counting. Don't forget, if you need to, you can always pop the number into the chart in number form. So like if there were 5, you could put the number 5 here. Okay? Remember that this is the amount of 10s, and this is the amount of 1s. Okay? Show me your work in 3, 2, 1. Show me your work. What number is it? What's the number though, Aubrey? The value of those base 10 blocks. What's the value? Brock, let me see again. Good. So you're doing the value of those base 10 blocks. Yes, Alex?
I didn't have that much time.
You didn't have time? Well, we're going to go over it, so it's okay. All right, so I'm going to write the number down, and you need to make sure that I'm correct, okay? Because I need help today, apparently. Ta-da!
Mrs. Cooper.
What?
You wrote it backwards. It's 3, not 37. Just put the 7 in the 10s and the 3 in the 1.
Who could help me out and figure out how to fix it?
You put the 3 in the 1s and the 7 in the 10s.
Yeah, the 3 and the 1s and 7. Oh, I know what I did. Okay.
There's no 3 10s. This is how you write it, Mrs. Cooper.
Wait, here you go. There we go.
What? No.
So now there's a 3 in the 1s and a 7 in the 10s.
No, you just said it's backwards. Erase it off. Yes, Cooper. You wrote
I need one person to raise their hand. Great job. Darren, can you help me?
You get the 3 in the 1s.
Yeah, it's in the 1s.
No, that's backwards.
Okay, so then this, they're backwards. So then this needs to be here, and this needs to be here. Now my 10. Who could help me with my next step? Who could raise their hand and help me with my next step? Cam?
You need to swatch the T and the O.
I need to swap the T and the O. Now I'm right.
Yay!
Alrighty,
Yeah.
good job. All right, next one. I want you to draw the base 10 blocks, and we're going to go over expanded form, okay?
Oh,
Okay.
Woo!
Okay. I want you to draw the base 10 blocks, and then we're going to go over expanded form. You're drawing the base 10 blocks, and then we're going to go over expanded form together. Noah, mute yourself, dude. Thank you, love. Draw in the tens and ones cubes for that number that's on the board. I see lots of brains working. I'll give you a couple more minutes. Zoe, question?
Yeah.
What's your question, baby?
What are we going to be doing on the extended form?
I'll teach it to you. Don't worry, Kay.
Miss Cooper, on the pluses and equals, are we supposed to write it?
Not yet. That's just for me. Okay, I think most people are finished. Show me your work in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show me your work.
Katie.
Oh, some kids are already getting it. Good. Okay, that's right. Who can tell me how many tens I'm going to draw? How many tens am I going to draw? Allie J.
4.
4 tens, right? Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many ones am I going to draw? How many ones am I going to draw, Aubrey?
4.
4, that's right. Now, I need everyone to mute themselves and pay attention. This is important. Some of you got more of this in small group yesterday, and the rest of you will get more of this in small group today. Expanded form. When we're talking about expanded form, we are talking about the value of each of these digits. So what's the value of this one, and what's the value of this digit? This digit is not worth only 4, right? This digit isn't worth 4, and then this digit's worth 4. Because what would 4 plus 4 be? Zoe?
8.
8, right. And is our number 8?
No.
No, our number is 44. So we need something to go here that represents the value of this digit here. So it's not worth only 4, because that would be 4 ones, right? What would be the value? What is the value of 4 tens? Who could tell me the value of 4 tens? Darren. What's the value of these 4 tens?
40.
40, that's right. These 4 tens, so this 4 in the 10 spot is worth 40, because if I counted this out, 10, 20, 30, 40, these tens are worth 40. So 40 plus 4 equals 44. Let's try one more, and then we're going to play turkey.
One more?
One more, and then we'll play turkey, okay?
One more than turkey.
One more than turkey. All right. Number I want you to do is the number 62 in tens and ones. And then if you can, it's okay if you're not good with it yet. That's okay. Try to write it in expanded form. So it's two steps. You're writing 62 with base 10 blocks. And then if you can, but if you're still hesitant and you feel like you're not confident yet, don't do it. But write in expanded form if you feel like you got it. Okay? Don't forget the value of this number. Watch the whistling, please. And the value of that number. Don't forget, I'm recording this for other kiddos.
Yeah.
Jack dude.
Yeah.
Watch yourself. So you're writing it out with base 10 blocks. Don't forget, base 10 blocks are the sticks that go up and down. Do we cross them over and make a diagonal line?
No.
No. Hold on, Riley. I'll count down to have everyone show, okay? I'll count down to have everyone show, don't worry. Yes, Alex.
My favorite game in the class meeting was the pumpkin.
The jack-o'-lantern?
Yeah.
Well, guess what? We're going to play one just like that today, but it's called Turkey. For November. All right, show me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And look.
Yeah, some people are getting it. All right, good. Who could raise their hand and tell me how many 10s I'm going to draw? How many 10s am I going to draw? Let's do Miss Abigail. How many 10s am I going to draw?
10.
I'm going to draw how many 10s?
10.
I'm going to draw 6 10s, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s.
Okay.
Then who could raise their hand and tell me how many 1s I'm going to draw? Riley?
2.
2 1s, that's right. Good job. Now, who could tell me what is the value of this digit? What's the value of this 6 in the number 62? What's the value of this number? Acacia?
2.
What's the value of this number?
6.
Not 6, because if we had 6, we'll go through it. It's okay. What's the value of this digit?
62.
What's the value of this digit, Noah?
2.
2. But I have a question. What's 6 plus 2? Alice?
8.
8. Is our number 8?
No.
No, our number is 62. So you're right that the 2 is only worth 2 1s. So this is your 1s, okay? And this is your 10s. Okay? This is your 10s, this is your 1s, right? So, when you're looking at the 10s, I want to know the value of these 6 10s. So I'm going to count these 10s by 10. So this would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. So who could tell me what the value of those 10s are? Brock.
60.
The value of these 10s are 60, right? It's 60. Let me write that in green. It's worth 60. So 60 plus 2 more is 62. Alrighty. That's all we have to do. Let's do some turkey. Ready?
Miss Cooper.